Okay, I'm going to show you a couple different ways to find equivalent fractions. So equivalent fractions for 3/5. So what I can do, so I'm starting with, let me draw the visual model here. So break this into fifths. And then I'll color in 3. So 2 and 3. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply my denominator by 2. And so what happens is now I just broke it into, instead of 5 pieces, now I have a denominator of 10. And when I do that, it also doubles my numerator. So 3 times 2 equals 6. So 6/10 is equivalent to 3/5. Okay, it works the other way also. So I have 5 25ths. I know that they have a common factor of 5, so I'm going to divide both of them by 5. So 25 divided by 5 equals 5, and then 5 divided by 5 equals 1. Okay, hope this helps. Thanks.